Welcome to the Rares Report for Saturday, August 24th, where many of the rares are turning into very hot prospects. Thanks for watching the Rares Report for Saturday, August 24th. This is the last Rares Report for 1 week. I will make a report 1 week from now as I am again traveling out of town. Thanks again. Your likes and comments make all of these video making much worthwhile. We'll start off with Easter egg prices keeping us right on the edge. If they break above this level, it's definitely a buy signal. We're at the very end of this triangle formation, at the top of this range right now as we speak in the markets. If we go on to pumpkin, it's been languishing sideways, still in this 1, 2, 3 bottom formation, waiting for it to show something one way or the other. Disc prices were disputed and set to 225 across the day, although there were reports of it trading at 231, which would have been significant in this price chart. So watch for disc of returning. There may be some differences in price reports there. We can see that half jug of wine went up a little bit, but not significant, and we're still looking for a real good bottom formation here before we're expecting a turnaround. Moving on now to party hats, we can see that the purple party hat is continuing along this flag that we identified last report, although it does look like a break slightly out of this downtrend. It hasn't been continuing the same rate, so that's an important break. And as we saw in last report, yellow party hat actually made a buy signal when it broke above this level here. Now it's wavering around, and because it has proven this trade correct, it would be good to hold it if you had purchased one, but it's not something I'm trading right now. I am still watching this market. Moving on to the green party hats, we can see that it's going sideways and continuing on this potential bottom formation here, but not breaking out one way or another to give a real signal yet. When we go on to the red party hat, this is slightly a bit of a signal where we can see the trend is changing right here. It seems to have hit a bottom and have the potential now, if it's breaking out of this triangle, this would be a buy signal if this strength continues. Moving on to green Halloween mask, we can see we have a bottom formation here, potential 1, 2, 3 now. If prices break above this point, that is also a buy signal in this market. And it's really starting to heat up in the rares when we go on and we take a look at the blue Halloween. This was fantastic. We saw this consolidation happening right here, and now there's been a breakout above it. 1, 2, 3 times off this low, a very long sideways channel, and not a downtrend but a sideways trend. So when this does break one way or the other, I expect it to go further. Red Halloween mask broke above out of this bottom formation right here, and we identified last report this is important because it has hit against that price so many times, and I don't expect it to just rush straight out above this here, but if it languishes a bit and then breaks above, this is definitely going to be a stronger buy signal. I'm not in this market right now, I'm still watching it as well. When we go on to the Santa hat, we can see that it peaked and came back down, made a bit of a bottom, and come back up, and this is really good for my kind of trading style because now it's giving me a much more solid bottom formation to work off of. If it does break trend and go higher from above this level right here, those are good strong buy signals based on the support and the formation that's built up to that buy signal. Thanks for watching the Rares Report for Saturday, August 24th. This is the last Rares Report for 1 week. I will make a report 1 week from now as I am again traveling out of town. Thanks again. Your likes and comments make all of these video making much worthwhile.